Thanks for watching our equipment update video. And we are also looking for a name for our airsofting team. Please leave your comments at the bottom.
This is an M4 AEG airsoft rifle from Hobbytown. It's got a 9.6 battery. I got another mag for it, a sling, and then the original 8.4 battery. And then I also got a Rex optic hunting rifle sight. It's actually a legit sight that people use. And I also have a tactical vest and a mask, and that's so for my equipment for when I go airsofting.
This is my AK-47. I got the Dean connection update for my battery, and I got the sling. I only got the mag and 300-round mag, and the Juggernaut mask.
And a tactical vest.
This is an AEG M4A1. It's a stock from a hobby shop. We got 9.6 battery in here with Dean connectors, 2 clips, 3-point sling, and a mask. And also we have gotten tactical vests for our first fight. Okay, kill the video. Equipment status is we got an M4A1 with a Rex laser scope. Also has the iron attachment scope that can go back on. We have an extra battery, extra clip. Plan on getting 2 more clips for this gun. We got a 3-point sling. We got an AK-47. Both these guns have the Dean connection for the battery. We're gonna get 2 more clips for this gun. He's got a normal sling for it. Then we got a stock M4AG1, which is the iron sights. It's got the 9.6 battery in it with the Dean clips, 3-point sling, 2 clips, plan on getting 2 more clips for that, extra battery for every gun. We also have these nice Juggernaut masks, tactical vests. We're going to get Sig Sauer handgun CO2s for the crossover holding, and then we'll be set.